Hello. I'm here today doing a video on all the things that I've made in the past year. Well, not all, but a lot of. There's quite a bit. Most of them are handbags. I've got some scrunchies and some earrings to show. So yeah, I'll go ahead and start with the first thing, which is this bag, which is made from calf hide with like a leopard print on top of it. So yeah, it's got here calf hide, just attached a little handle, and I've just made it with a, sorry, I've got like bubble wrap inside. I've made it with a, what do you call this again? Magnetic closure, that's it. Yeah, so it's a great bag. I use it during the day, could use it at night time to go out in the evening to like a little restaurant or a bar or something. So yeah, I've really enjoyed this bag. I've only used it once, but I really like it. I made it about 3 weeks ago. Yeah, so that's the first one. And then I've got this bag, which I actually made from the scraps of all the other bags which I have made. So she's like left over of the bag I just showed you there. And another one which I used, which was yeah, it was also calf hide. It's a lot more hairy. This one was actually a carpet, but I decided to make a bag out of it. And I just added some studs to the front. Added a little chain, which I think I'm going to change this chain because it's a bit, it could be a bit more chunky. It'll just make the bag look a bit more put together in my opinion. And then it's just got like snakeskin pattern at the back. This is real leather. Can't remember what type of leather it is. It was actually scrap leather in the leather wholesale place that I went to, so I didn't double check with them what kind of leather it is, but yeah, it's got this nice. Then again is the magnetic closure. Got the studs again on the inside there. I just made a cute little pocket out of another material which I did make another bag out of, so it's like more scraps. To just make a pocket here, if you can see, it's a bit like diagonal. So yeah, I quite like that. It's got like pink faux leather as the lining what I used. So yeah, that's that crossbody bag. And then I have this one which I made as a clutch, which yeah, it's not a part of that scrap made bag, but yeah, this clutch, very cute. I've not used it yet. Look forward to using it in summer with some jeans, some heels, go out to a restaurant or a bar or something like that. Very cute. And I actually chose a dark pink lining, which is suede, and it is goat suede. I found it on Etsy and I really like it. I think I would go ahead and purchase it again to make something else. But again, it's the magnetic closure. I just love the two colours together. Very pretty. Stands out a lot. Yeah, so that's that. And then I've also got this little bag which I made for like a Christmas type of feel, you know. It's like sequined shoulder bag, which I did use once. I'll probably insert a picture of me like using it going out somewhere. So yeah, that's that. It's just got, all of them have magnetic closure really, and it's just got like a black lining here. I don't know what kind of material this is, to be honest. Didn't cost a lot. Yeah, that's that. No pockets in there. Yes. So yeah, here is the sole one, which is part of this, like the material that I originally used to, which I used the leftovers to make the scrap bag. So this is the silver part. So yeah, it's quite a slouchy bag once you put stuff inside, which is what I intended to go for. And I also added some studs on the side here. I love that. Stands out a lot more with that detail. I think it just adds a bit of my personality to it. And again, magnetic closure, and it's got yellow cotton lining. So yeah, I like those two colours together. It's pretty cute. So that is it. I should probably put something inside it so it looks a bit better. let's see. So this is it with like something inside of it. It's a bit of a weird thing that I stuffed in there, but yeah. I think it looks a bit full on. Okay. Yeah, that's that. And then also like sticking with the studs. Sorry, I've got like it tangled up there, but yeah, I'm moving on to earrings. So I also made earrings out of the cowhide carpet that I told you about, and it's also got a stud attached to it, so I really like these. They're very different, very fun, and very hairy. Yeah, so it's got the pair here, very cute, and the back is just like this. And then I've also just made 2 little earrings out of the clutch bag material. Sorry, everything's a bit all over the place there, but yeah, that's that. It's 2 little pieces together. And then also the earrings I've got on are something that I made from the leftover lining. I think I'm going to add another pink layer to it with hair on it also, so it's actually not finished. This one's like flipping with my hair. But yeah, that's that. I think it's pretty cute. Adds a bit of colour. Sweet. I also did one out of the silver, which I did in more of a square shape. Yeah, so that's that. Sweet. Okay. And there's more cowhide earrings of that really hairy carpet. You know, I really like this one because this one's got a lot of hair. I think that stands out a lot more. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, this side is very hairy. Cute. And then I also have these earrings which I made out of the zebra, again, which I had the pocket, and I've also got a bag in it. I just took apart one of my old gold big heavy earrings, the ones that want the type that will weigh down your ears, so I don't actually wear them. So I just took off this top part, then just cut the fabric out to make it into an earring to attach to this top part, and just made a hole in there to bring the little circle hardware thing that holds it all together. Yeah, so I made that. So I made them 2 odd sizes, so one smaller than the other. So I really like that. Very cute. Very cute. And as you can see, my wall's also zebra, so I like the animal prints. Very fun. Oh, and I also made a scrunchie out of it. So yeah, just like put it around once just so it can just sit as something to just add print to stand out in my hair. Then I have other scrunchies that I've made here. It's like linen and like mesh around the edges, so it's very big, stand out, kind of a statement scrunchie, large. Yeah. And then I have this burgundy and black one, which is fun. And then I have a like pinkish coloured one, faux leather again. And then I have this black one. I do have a little Instagram where I put up things that I do make, so you can check the link on my YouTube page. It will be there if you want to have a look. Yeah, it's a black one, nice and edgy, I think. Faux leather hairband. I've worn this a couple of times. And yeah, oh, almost forgot. this choker, which I made out of the calf hide carpet and added studs to it. I love this. I wore this the other day and I was very satisfied. Yeah. So that is that. Very fun. Edgy. Try and come up a little bit closer. Yeah, I'll definitely be wearing this in summer. But yeah, that's all that I had to show. And it's just got a black strip of leather at the back. And then I just used the closure thing to make it closed. So yeah, basically it's like matching earrings and a choker, which I actually wore these two together. I might put the picture up of me wearing them. But yeah, that's my video, the things that I've made this year 2024. Hope you, not this year 2024, through 2024 to January 2025, so in the last year. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and hopefully it's inspiring to someone who's a beginner on their journey. Yeah, thank you. Hopefully see you in the next video. Bye.